So welcome back to WiZdom Ed channel. So let's continue with our first chapter, which is some basic concepts of chemistry. So our next question is, a measured temperature on Fahrenheit scale is 200 degree Fahrenheit. What will this reading be on Celsius scale? So they are given us a temperature in Fahrenheit scale and they're asking us in the Celsius scale. So for this formula, where degree Celsius is equal to 5 by 9 Fahrenheit minus 32. They have given us the value for Celsius for the Fahrenheit, which is 200 degree Fahrenheit. So let's substitute. So 5 by 9, 200 minus 32. So C is equal to 5 by 9 into 200 minus 32 is going to become 168. So upon substitution, I am going to get 93.3 degree Celsius. So the right answer is option C, which is 93.3 degree Celsius. So our next question. The scientific notation of some figures are given below. Which of the following options is not correct? So options are A, 8008 is equal to 8.008 into 10 raised to power 3. Option B, 208 is equal to 2.08 into 10 raised to power 2. And option C, 5000 is equal to 5.0 into 10 raised to power 3. And option D, 0.0034 is equal to 3.4 into 10 raised to power 3. These questions, the point is shifted from your right hand side to left hand side. If the point is shifting from the right hand side to left hand side, the power is always going to have the positive power. But whereas in this case, the point is shifted from the left hand side to right hand side. So in such cases, the power has to be negative. But whereas in this case, it is positive. So this is the wrong answer. So the answer for this question is option D, which is 0.0034 is equal to 3.4 into 10 raised to power 3. Next, in scientific notation, 0.00016 can be written as. So they are asking us to convert this value and write it. Option A is 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 4. Option B is 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 3. Option C is 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 2. And option D is 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 1. So let's solve this. They have given us 0.00016. As they have written everything in 1.6, so let's start. So they have shifted the points from left hand side to right hand side. So it is 1, 2, 3 and 4. As we are moving from left hand side to right hand side, the power has to become minus. So we have shifted 4, so it is going to become 10 raised to power minus 4. Option A, which is 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 4. The next question, the addition of numbers 6.65 into 10 raised to power minus 4, 10 raised to power 4 and 8.95 into 10 raised to power 3 and subtraction of numbers 2.5 into 10 raised to power minus 2 and 4.8 into 10 raised to power minus 3 respectively in terms of scientific notation will be. So they're asking us to add the first two figures and subtract the second two figures, and they are asking us to follow the scientific notation rule. So to follow this rule, we have to make sure the power should be same when we are doing addition and subtraction. See, in the first case, the power is 4 and here the power is 3. As both the powers are different, we cannot add them directly. The same thing applies even for the subtraction. Here the power is minus 2 and here the power is minus 3. As the powers are different here, again we can't do the subtraction. So first we will convert the powers and make the powers same and then do addition and subtraction for the given question. So the first one is 6.65 into 10 raised to power 4 and 8.95 into 10 raised to power 3. So what I am going to do now is I am going to convert this into 10 raised to power 4. As I have 10 raised to power 4, I am going to make this also 10 raised to power 4. As I am increasing the power, the point has to shift to the left hand side. So it is going to become 0.895. Now let's add the given values. So upon addition, it is going to become 6.65 plus 0.895 into 10 raised to power 4. So the final answer is going to be 6.65, 0.895. So it is 7.545 into 10 raised to power 4. So we have got the value for the addition, which is 7.545 into 10 raised to power 4. So now let's do for subtraction. So for subtraction, we have the values, which is 2.5 into 10 raised to power minus 2, and we have 4.8 into 10 raised to power minus 3. Here, the same way, I am going to convert this minus 3 to minus 2. So when it is converting from minus 3 to minus 2, we are supposed to shift the point from your right hand side to left hand side. So it is going to become 0.48, and this is 2.5 into 10 raised to power minus 2. So upon subtraction, it is going to become 2.5 minus 0.48 into 10 raised to power minus 2. So let's do subtraction. 2.5 minus 0.48. If nothing is there, we are going to assume that there is 0. From 0 we cannot subtract 8, so I am going to borrow it from the other side. So it is going to become 2, 0 and 2. So it is going to become 2.02 into 10 raised to power minus 2. So our addition value was 7.545 into 10 raised to power 4, and our subtraction value was 2.02 into 10 raised to power minus 2. So the right answer for this question is option A, which is 7.545 into 10 raised to power 5 and 2.02 into 10 raised to power minus 2. So these are the questions which are cited from Harian publications. Thank you.